Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are trying the SXC Pink Bling Series Polygel Kit, and I'm so excited to show you guys this polygel kit because first of all, I have never used SXC Polygel before, so this is a first time product on my channel and I'm really excited to show you guys. So what comes in this kit are some dual forms, nail forms, gems, a hand file which is 100 and 180 grit, a polygel brush which is pink, which I love, base coat and top coat, this pink glitter, and these like tiny glitter bead crystals. I don't really know what to call them. And you get 6 different polygels with this kit. So here's the first polygel. This is called Gemini. The next polygel is called Virgo, and those are glow in the dark polygels. The next 2 polygels are Sparkly and Radiance, and these are glitter polygels. And the next polygel is Ambrosia. And the last one is Drusilla, and those 2 are color changing polygels. So here are all the polygels side by side. The first 2 are glow in the dark, the second 2 are glitter, and the last 2 are color changing like I said before. And here are the color changing ones. And here are the glow in the dark ones. So this polygel kit comes with a lot of stuff and it was only $25. So first of all, this polygel kit is a steal. I know this is a little bit of a spoiler, but the polygels work great. Like, they work so good. So it's like a good price and good product. But before I get further into this video is not sponsored by SXC. I bought this kit with my own money off of Amazon. So yeah, I'm truly just testing out this polygel kit because I never tried it before and I've always wanted to. So in this video I am doing a birthday nail set once again. In one of my previous videos, as you can see, like from the nail set that's on my other hand, I did my 17th birthday nail, which I only did one hand because I wanted to do another set on my other hand. So this is my part 2 of my birthday nail set. Basically, my birthday is not in August, my birthday was in March. This is an old video that I didn't post for a while now because in my last video y'all were saying that I was a Leo. So yeah, this is an old video. We're just basically doing the nail prep. I'm just going in with the base coat. This first color that I'm using on my pointer finger is called Radiance. It is one of these sparkly polygels. And I'm just going to make my pointer finger this full color. It's a really pretty nude glitter, and yeah, I really love this color. So I'm just doing one full nail of it because I decided that I was going to add gems on this nail, so just a plain nail is good. First of all, this polygel is on the thicker side, so it's not really going to run. It doesn't run into my cuticle area. It stays where I put it basically, and I really like that. This polygel is a little thicker than Makartt polygel, so it did take a little bit longer to mold than like Makartt or Model ones, but still I really liked it because no running. It did not run into my cuticle area. It stayed exactly where I put it. And literally with that one bead, I already am creating a nice apex because the nail, like this polygel just stays exactly where I want it. Really easy to create that apex. So onto my middle finger, I'm going to be taking the color Radiance once again, and I'm going to be putting a big bead near my cuticle area because I am going to be doing a French tip on this nail. So we're just going to start off with a big bead of polygel, and then we're going to push it into the cuticle area as close as we can get it, but not touching the skin. And we're just going to shape that up into the oval, shape for the French tip. Alright, and onto the ring finger, I'm going to be doing the same thing. We're also making a French tip on this nail. Alright, now back to the middle finger. I'm going to be creating a marble look. So I'm going to be taking some white polygel and I'm going to be taking the color Virgo. And I'm just going to be marbling that on my nails. I'm going to do this on the French tip nails and also on my pinky nail. I'm just basically picking up tiny beads with the spatula end of my brush. I'm just going to be smearing that together on the nail. I'm just kind of putting them in like diagonal lines next to each other and just filling in all that empty space. So after I have the whole nail covered, I'm going in with my polygel brush and I'm just going to smooth everything out. We kind of want the polygels not to mix but blend together somewhat because I don't want them to look just like harsh diagonal lines like where I put the polygels. So I want them to kind of blend slightly and just kind of create that marble effect. So here's what it's looking like, and before I cure, actually I'm going to be adding on some of that pink glitter. course, look at what I do with my long nails on my other hand. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave that there. That's why it's in the background. All right, so onto the ring finger, I'm going to be doing that exact same thing, just creating that marble design. And then I'm going to be adding that pink glitter on from the mess that I made. Onto the pinky nail, I'm going to be making the full nail a marble nail, just going in with that pink and that white color, and then I'm going to be smoothing that out the best I can. Like I said before, this polygel is like on the thicker side, so it did take me a kind of a long time to mold these nails, but not too bad. I don't mind that, you know, at least the polygel stays in place. And I'm also going to be doing a full marble nail on the thumbnail as well. So I encapsulated all the nails with top coat. You'll see me encapsulate the French tip nails, which I shouldn't have done yet. I totally forgot to like shape over the nails to crispen up my smile line, but I totally forgot, so I encapsulated them with top coat. Luckily I didn't encapsulate with polygel because that would have been a lot to file through. So when I go and file the nails, I have to file through the top coat and like clean up my smile line for my French tips. I encapsulated with top coat because I added that glitter on and I didn't want to file off the glitter. We're just gonna get shaping. I'm using my Makartt dust collector and my hand file. This is the shaping process. So overall, after applying the polygel, I really like this polygel. I think it's really good. And the price of this polygel kit is so good. I mean, I went on Amazon to check it and I couldn't believe it was only $25. So if you're looking for a good, affordable polygel kit that comes with a good amount of polygels, I definitely recommend this SXC Polygel Kit because it's one, affordable. The polygels are really good and you get a good amount of polygels in this kit. You also get, you know, like the necessities, the polygel brush, top coat and base coat, and you also get some decorations, which I really like. The link for it will be in the description. I got it off of Amazon, so yeah, I'm gonna be putting my Amazon link for that in there. If you guys want me to try another SXC Polygel Kit, let me know which one and I'll definitely get it because this polygel was really good. Okay, so besides the nail set, a little bit of a school update once again, if any of you are interested. I've started school already and I'm just in the first week, so I have like, you know, introduction stuff to read the syllabus, like syllabus quizzes, you know, easy stuff like that. So far it's not that bad. And I'm just nervous for when the real work comes in. I'm taking 4 classes at my college and I'm also taking 1 class on online school because I want to finish all my high school credits like this semester. So yeah, I'm taking 5 classes. So this is kind of going to be a lot of work, but it's okay. I'm going to do it and I'm going to try my best to post as many videos as I can for you guys. For now, we're good with the videos. Like I can keep making videos. I'll just let you guys know when I get to have too much work and then I'll have to like slow slow down on the videos a little bit. So I have these Old English font stickers, and I just took the number 17 and I just added it to the tips of my French tip nails. And then onto the pointer finger, I'm adding some gems. I'm using my rhinestone gel and then adding top coat over that without curing it, and then placing in my gems. I'm just having this like gem design down the middle of my nail. And then on my pinky nail, I'm going in with some cuticle crystals. And after the gems are placed, I'm going in with some top coat and adding top coat to all the nails that I already don't have top coat on. Now I'm taking my cuticle oil and I'm just going to be adding that around the cuticle area. And here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set. I think this was a really cute birthday nail set. It was very fun to do because I like trying the new polygel kit. It was really fun like trying something I haven't tried before. Once again, this video is old. I filmed this video in March and I'm just now posting it. If you have any recommendations for another SXC polygel kit you guys might want me to try, let me know in the comments and I'll definitely check it out because I really want to try another one of these polygel kits. And here are how the nails look like glowing in the dark. I thought they were really cute. The glowiness kind of wears off really quickly though. Other than that, really good polygel kit. The link for it will be in the description. That's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all in my next one. Bye!